Welcome to the Rise Windows YouTube channel. PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation solution of a command line shell, a scripting language. PowerShell is a potent tool that can remove Windows 11 and 10 core components, files, and default applications. So, it is more complicated compared to the classic command prompt. If you find a Windows 11 and 10, you need to prefer PowerShell. There are many different ways to open PowerShell in Windows 11 and 10. In this video, we will open PowerShell. Let's start it. How to open PowerShell from the Power User menu. Press Windows plus X keys on the keyboard or right-click on the Windows logo to see the hidden Power User menu. Select Windows PowerShell or Windows PowerShell Admin. You probably have altered the setting if you see Command Prompt instead of Windows PowerShell. Refer to our video to switching between Command Prompt and PowerShell in the WinX menu. You can easily switch between Command Prompt and PowerShell using the down arrow, caret, given on the title bar, then select your desired option. How to open PowerShell from Windows Search. Click on the Start or Taskbar search and type PowerShell in the search box. In the available search results, click on Windows PowerShell to open the same. How to open PowerShell through the Run command box. To quickly open the PowerShell on Windows 10, press the Windows plus R keys on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type PowerShell in the text box. Either click OK or hit Enter key on the keyboard to open the PowerShell window. Quick tips. After typing the PowerShell in the Run dialog box, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys on the keyboard to open Windows PowerShell admin rights. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.